Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the training, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And of course guys, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and this had been on uptrend for a very long time, and the market has been ranging within this region, within the resistance zone and the support zone around here. So it's trying to go back on downtrend, but it has not been able to break out below the support zone, and of course it has also not been able to break out above the resistance zone. So if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone and it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, it will only buy if it breaks out above the resistance zone. So we should hope for more of a buy, of a selling opportunity. That is if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500, and of course right from this resistance zone it started a downtrend and it kept on selling and selling and selling. Okay, and it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below that support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, we should take note of that also. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend before, and of course got to this support zone, was unable to break out above it, so it's now on buy trend at the moment. Okay, but it needs to break out above that resistance zone, so it is still buying at the moment. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It had been on downtrend, on uptrend for a very long time, but played around there for a while because it was unable to break out above the resistance zone. But right now it is selling, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. So this is V75. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, and it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below the support zone, then it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, but for now it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. But if it's unable to break out below the support zone, it will go back on buy trend. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course do your own personal research on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.